Welcome back to Star Biker, your trusted destination for the latest motorcycle launches and updates. Today, we bring exciting news for daily commuters as the 2025 Bajaj Platina 125 has finally been launched, aiming to redefine comfort, mileage, and affordability in the 125 cubic centimeters segment. A new chapter for the Platina series. The Bajaj Platina has always been known as a practical and fuel-efficient motorcycle. With the 2025 Platina 125, Bajaj takes a big step forward by introducing more power while maintaining its core commuter-friendly character. This launch targets riders who want better performance without compromising on running costs. Engine and performance upgrades. The 2025 Bajaj Platina 125 is powered by a refined 125 cubic centimeters engine designed for smooth and reliable performance. The engine focuses on strong low-end torque, making it ideal for city traffic and daily rides. Improved tuning ensures better pickup while still delivering excellent fuel efficiency, which remains a key highlight of the Platina lineup. Comfort and ride quality. Comfort has been given special attention in the new Platina 125. It features a long, well-cushioned seat, an upright riding posture, and improved suspension setup. These changes help reduce fatigue during long rides, making it a great option for office commuters and delivery riders alike. Design and practical features. The 2025 model comes with subtle yet modern design updates, including fresh graphics and a clean commuter-focused look. Practical features like durable body panels, reliable braking, and easy maintenance make it a sensible everyday motorcycle. Final thoughts. With the launch of the 2025 Bajaj Platina 125, Bajaj strengthens its position in the commuter segment. Offering a balance of power, comfort, and mileage, this bike is set to become a popular choice for riders looking for value and reliability. Stay tuned to Star Biker for more updates and honest motorcycle insights.